Hello, Cody. I enjoyed reading your post this week. You selected the redundancy effect to focus on. I too selected the redundancy effect. It was interesting to read your post because we both came from different perspectives. You explained that according to Sweller, redundancy can lead to overload when the learner is exposed to the same information in multiple formats at the same time. And you gave the example of a professor giving a PowerPoint presentation at the same time regurgitating what's in the textbook right in front of the student. I looked at redundancy as a positive. Specter referred to redundancy as multiple sources of information that are intelligible in isolation. However, when we consider the relation between the multiple sources of information, then the appropriate instructional recommendations can be made. I teach multiplication using multiple sources of information. I use skip counting. I use repeated addition. I use having the students draw arrays. I also use the number line and the computer. There are math games that students can play on the computer that help them to memorize their multiplication facts. The redundancy in my strategy actually helps the students learn and retain their multiplication facts. Therefore, I look at the redundancy effect as a positive to student learning and instead of a negative. So it was very interesting to read your perspective and kind of compare it to mine. So thank you very much for your post and have a great week.